Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Today, I am joining in with Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley, who has given us her word for the month. She does this once a month. When you get to her channel, you'll see all about it. And this month's word is dream. I've said before, I'm going to the St. Louis Doll Show. I am packing and getting ready as you watch this. And Daisy is daydreaming about where she might go and what she's going to get to do and all the other dolls that she's going to get to meet. She can hardly wait to meet the other YouTubers. I know I can't. So we've both been daydreaming about this show coming up. I hope you're coming. If you are, let me know. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please go to, the hashtag is below for this, this month's word. And go see all the other channels because there's going to be some good ones, I'm sure. Thank you, Tammy Powley, for another opportunity to join in. These are always fun. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.